everyday fuel loot is pickpocketing the pockets of common man, the common Kannadiga. Friends, the last 11 days have been catastrophic on the pockets and budget of the salaried class, farmers, businessmen, homemakers, small businessmen, common persons. With the Union BJP government unleashing fuel loot by raising the price of petrol and diesel 4 times in 11 days and now raising it total by 7 rupees 52 paisa a litre in last 11 days. This back-breaking fleecing and defrauding of Kannadigas by the BJP is unpardonable. Perhaps it was a return gift given by Nitin Nabeenji, the national BJP president, who came and ate nice things over breakfast yesterday so as to give the return gift of fuel price hike to Kannadigas today. But BJP remains immune to the misery of the people and mocks it every day by raising prices and making it impossible to carry on with livelihoods. The loot of the people does not end with the prices of petrol and diesel alone, but it is now manifesting itself in the unprecedented hikes in the prices of domestic LPG gas, commercial LPG gas, FTL cylinder, what BJP used to call Chotu cylinder for our sisters and mothers, CNG prices, PNG prices, and consequently heralding an unprecedented increase in the prices of all goods of daily consumption across the board. The daylight robbery by the BJP and the Union Modi government does not even end here. Over last 12 years, Modi government has taken 14 lakh crores from RBI. 14 lakh crores it has taken from RBI. So 43 lakh crore, evidence of which is here, plus 14 lakh crore from RBI alone. This is 57 lakh crore loot by BJP from both RBI and the people. And how are they collecting this money from RBI? Rupee has nosedived, so they sell foreign exchange reserves that we hold, sell them at a high price and collect money. This is anti-national. This is nothing short of an anti-national act to sell foreign exchange reserves at a time when country's rupee is depreciated, nosedived on account of your failing economy. Then BJP is doing it. So this is the 57 lakh crore loot. Friends, BJP for last 12 years, an Honorable Chief Minister was surprised when I told him, they are collecting 1,000 crore every day. Every day from the pockets of a farmer, from a housewife, from a trader, from a laborer, from a small businessman, from a salaried class person, whether government sector or private sector, they collect money every day. 1,000 crore rupees every day, 1,000 crore. That's how it comes to 43 lakh crore.